Hello my dear students, come to our 2 marks problem chapter trial balance. You will get only 2 marks problem in our final examination part B of accounting, and come to know the trial balance procedure. So trial balance procedure, preceding that we have to prepare ledger accounts, before that we have to enter transaction into journal entry. So we have to know the accounting cycle, how the trial balance is going to be prepared. The procedure as transactions. Right? Transactions will be converting into journal entries. So each and every journal entry will be converting into ledger posting. After ledger posting, we have to prepare trial balance. This is the procedure how we are going to prepare trial balance. So each and every transaction will be converting into journal entry. Each and every journal entry will be converting into individual ledger postings, and ledger posting will be converting into preparation of trial balance. So in trial balance, it consists of two values, that is nothing but debit system and credit system. Now I am going to give in debit side which transaction we have to enter, in credit side which type of transaction we are going to enter, right? And come to the first one, debit values. Debit side values as well as credit side values we have to know, right? And in debit side we have to enter first one, payments. Payment is like expenses or paid. If the transaction will be given in terms of payment, expenses paid, we have to enter that will be into first one. For example, purchase, other expenses, right? And second one, stock. Stock will be also in debit side. And next to one, assets. Assets also we have to enter, as well as profits. These all are come under into debit side. And next to one is payments already completed, so no need to go with the condition. Like, come to know the debit side values in our trial balance. In debit side, first we have to identify which are payments. Not only identify, sequentially we have to enter by assuming these conditions about the debit side. In payments, expenses, paid, purchase and other expenses. All expenses. Expenses also two types, direct expenses and indirect expenses. Always direct and indirect expenses will be in debit side of trial balance. And next to one, stock. Stock is nothing but opening stock. Opening stock is always there in debit side of trial balance. Assets. Assets is nothing but we have to take assumption. Assets is like machinery, furniture, motor car, land and building, freehold properties, premises. These all are come under into type of assets. Profits is nothing but profit on sale of assets, profit on sale of building. These all are come under into the type of profits. And come to the credit side transactions. First one, here we have payments. Here the first one is receivings. Right? Here we have stock, and next one is sales. Stock is also consists of purchase of material. Here it will be converting into sales as well as selling. Right? And come to here we have assets. In third condition, credit side we have liabilities. Here we have profits. In fourth section, credit side, losses. This opposite word is credit side values we have to convert, right? And come to know the problem by recognizing values. Right? Come to the first problem. It is for 2 marks more. No need to get confusion. No need to give much importance, but it is most important for final accounts. Right? Come to the first one. From the following balances are taken from Sanjeev Reddy as on 31st December 2019. These values are taken from the books of Sanjeev Reddy, and we have to prepare trial balance. Cash in hand. Cash is asset. Right? We have to assume in our brain cash in hand. Cash is nothing but it is a part of asset. We are identified. Again, asset will be in debit side or credit side. We have to assume assets will be there in debit side. So we have to give it will be in debit side. Right? Next, bank overdraft. Overdraft is nothing but loan. Loan is nothing but liability. So liability is there in credit side. So it will be in credit side. Is it clear, ma? Once again I am repeating. Cash in hand means we have some of the cash after expenses. It will be in debit side. Bank overdraft. Overdraft is nothing but loan. Loan is always there in credit side. Liability is nothing but loan. It will be in credit side. Right? Opening stock. Stock in trial balance. We have it is always opening stock. Stock is always there in debit side. Right? Purchase. Here we have purchase, nothing but payment. Payment is there in debit side. This one is also debit side. Sales. Sales is nothing but income. Income is there in credit side. Sales returns. Sales returns is always debit side. Here we have fifth condition we have to write. In debit side we have to write sales returns. In the fifth condition, credit side, purchase returns. These are the conditions. So, purchase sales returns, debit side, purchase returns, credit side. Right? And next one, traveling expenses. Expenses always there in debit side. So, we have to give expenses always debit side. Next one, discount allowed. Discount allowed is nothing but we are giving, means it is also part of debit side transaction. It will also debit side. Discount credit. So already credit will be there. It's nothing but receiving. Receiving is there in credit side. Receiving is there in credit side. Next one, furniture. Furniture is nothing but asset. Asset is debit side. Assets debit side. I doing this problem based on given these examples about debit and credit system, right? Machinery. Machinery is also asset. Asset is debit side. Land is also asset. It is also debit side. Debtor is nothing but a person who can give loan to other person. So he can also called as asset member. It will also comes under into debit side. Creditor is nothing but liability holder. So liability holder is there in credit side. Right? Based on this debit system and credit system, we have to enter debit and credit systems in our problem. Without assuming these 5 condition debit side and 5 condition credit side, we are not able to give an indication which are debit and credit. Based on these rules only, we are going to prepare trial balance. This is about problem and come to the solution. Procedure name is take some space. We have to give your name, solution number 1, and balance of Sanjeev Reddy for the year ended 31st December 2019. Here we have to mention clearly name trial balance of Sanjeev Reddy for the year ended 31st December 2019 is most important. Under the pro forma, first column goes to particulars, and second column debit values, and next column credit values. So after preparation of this pro forma, we have to enter these transactions into debit column and credit column. First one, we have to give a mark, that is cash in hand. So cash in goes to debit side. In debit column, we have to enter the amount 5,000. Right? This is the procedure how to enter the values. Bank overdraft, it will be in credit side. Give second one. Bank overdraft, credit column 20,500. Next, stock, that is opening stock. In trial balance, always we have only opening stock. In some conditions, we have closing stock. Right? So opening stock is there in debit side. In debit column, we have to enter the amount. Right? Next one, purchase. Purchase is there in debit side. Next, sales. Sales is there in credit side. In credit column, we have to enter the amount 40,000. Next one, sales returns. Sales returns will be in debit side. Worth is 3,000. Next one, purchase returns. Purchase returns are credit side. Worth is 5,000. Right? Next one, traveling expenses. Expenses always debit side. Traveling expenses debit column 1,000. Next, discount allowed.